Hello everyone, this is Shihabul Islam. In this video, we are going to talk, we are learn about JavaScript. At first, we need to know about what is JavaScript and why should we learn it. Basically, JavaScript is a typically used of client client side scripting language for front end development. Its simple terms that means the developer use JavaScript to build the part of website that ordinary visitors can see and interact with, also known as the front end. While the programming language can technically be used to create complex program, its primary application lies in web development. Front-end programmers typically use JavaScript in the conjunction with two markup languages, HTML and CSS, to create all of these elements that user can see in interact with directly. Most common actions such as a transaction of submitting customer feedback and even logging facilitated by HTML code. CSS on the other hand centers more the formatting and appearance. It allows developers that describe how the HTML should look a visitor. Both however is static with only HTML and CSS. A web page is unchanging the relatively simplistic. With JavaScript, a website becomes dynamic. Not only does it automate process that users would in an HTML-only site need to perform manually, but it also empowers the website to react to a visitor input. Autocorrect function, slideshows, interactive graphics, this can all be credited to JavaScript. It works it works tirelessly in the background. That said, JavaScript Apple isn't confirmed to it often. It is one of the first the newable web developers learns to that start to code. JavaScript is very easy to implement right on the tech journalist of for platform. All you need to do is put your code in the HTML document and tell the browser. That is the JavaScript. Then JavaScript allows you to create high responsive interface that improve the user experience, provide dynamic functionality with having the wait for the server to react and show another page. It's fast, versatile, and can ever help identify to fix problem via its browser super function. For those reasons, JavaScript maintains a significant presence in the development sector and is a valuable skill for any appreciating web programmer. If you are interested in growing your technical skill set, you should take time to learn the language. Becoming front-end developer may take as little as 3 months. Luckily, it isn't all hard to hone your skill. There are countlessly way to learn JavaScript easily. And no, you can don't need to enroll any undergraduate computer science program to do that. Online courses, self-led tutorials abroad. If you want to more structure and guidance, but you don't have time or money, you dedicate for a formal undergrad degree. You can even control a coding bootcamp. I hope you all guys are knows about the JavaScript and why should we learn it. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video, share this video, and comment down in below. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.